Hello everyone, my name is Revant. For today's company's review presentation, I have chosen Pidilite Industries Limited. The reason why I have chosen Pidilite Industries is, as we all know, brands provide instant recognition. Not just that, they become symbol of trust. Companies put lot of efforts, resources in building a brand. Pidilite Industries is a market leader in adhesive segment and owns many successful brands. Pidilite innovative product called Fevicryl, which is non-sticky fabric glue. Such a product was not available in the market earlier and has no competitive so far, giving Pidilite a monopoly over niche. While coming to the Pidilite company profile, it was founded in the year 1959. It turned into the legal corporation in the year 1969. Pidilite Limited is a holding company. The company is engaged in manufacturing of adhesives and glues, including rubber-based glues and rubber-based adhesives. Its segments includes consumer and bazaar products and others. Consumer and bazaar product segment includes adhesives, sealants, and arts and craft material. Some of the company's major brands are M-Seal, Fevikwik, Fevistick, and Hobby Ideas. Pidilite was the first company in India which started the production of violet pigment. Violet pigment is an organic compound which is a commercial pigment. Deoxidized family of heterocyclic compounds. Coming to the global presence of Pidilite, it has 500 plus SKUs exported every year. SKU means stock keep unit. It is a scannable barcode most often seen printed on the product labels in a retail store, which will help us to automatically track inventory. It has 8 plus manufacturing units and has a global presence around 71 countries. The export earnings have been increasing 10% every year. It has 150 plus R&D professionals worldwide, 33 regional officers, 6,000 distributors and 2 million retailers. These are some of the key people of Pidilite Industries Limited. Shri Madhukar Balwantre Parekh, Chairman. In one of his addressing, he said that since its inspection 1959, Pidilite has been pioneer in consumer and specialist chemical in India. Over two-thirds of the company's sales come from product and segments it has pioneered in India. The main reason for the success of Pidilite is due to close teamwork of employees and shared value systems, which emphasizes commitment to excellence, closeness to the customer, and the spirit of innovation. Other key people of Pidilite Industries are Shri Bharat Puri, Managing Director, Mr. Apurva Parekh, Whole-Time Director. Over these past years, Pidilite has crossed some significant milestones. Fevicol was born in the year 1959. In 1990, Pidilite brand was established. It has recorded rupees 1000 crore turnover in the year 2004. These are some of the top brands of Pidilite: Fevicol, Fevicol MR, Dr. Fixit, Fevikwik, M-Seal, Fevistick, Hobby Ideas, Fevicryl. Fevicol, the ultimate adhesive loved for its superior quality, ease of application, and iconic advertisement. Dr. Fixit, the product range includes wide variety of new construction and repair waterproofing solutions for critical surfaces. Fevikwik, perfect partner for all home dye and art craft projects. Product has the potential to do something. A solution is the application of the product to solve a specific industry need or business need. These are some of the product solutions of Pidilite. The Pidilite products have been used in adhesive technologies, wood finishes and paints, waterproofing solutions, automotive, technical textiles, MVP, the adhesives grouts. While coming to the business segment of Pidilite, it is segregated into two: consumers and bazaars, industries and products. 16% is covered by industrial products. In that, industrial adhesives and resins are 10% and 6% are organic pigment and preparation, while remaining 84% comes under consumer and bazaars. Art craft material and others, uh, 12%, adhesives and sealants 53%, construction paint chemicals 19%. These are some of the key competitors of Pidilite: Nerolac Paints Limited, Berger, Shalimar Paints, Ancient Paints, Jubilant Industries. Competitive advantage of Pidilite: it has a very strong brand value. Effective advertising and marketing, Fevicol ads have become a viral hit among the masses. Market leaders in adhesives, sealants, polymer emulsions, hobby colors, and construction chemicals in India. Loyal customers. Fevicol has become synonymous with adhesives. Strong R&D center to cater growth and innovations. Although Pidilite Industries has strong competitive advantage, however, there are few concerns like over-dependent on Fevicol and M-Seal, which alone account for 50% of total revenue for Pidilite. This is the pressure on the sale of other brands and result in reduced investment in other businesses. Special analysis of Pidilite, political and legal. The government of India has come out with some rules and regulations that have positively affected the adhesive and sealant industries. The government increased the benchmark adhesive quality required for government infrastructure projects. Due to its already superior quality, Pidilite emerged the sole contender for many of these tenders. Economic factor. Adhesive sales grow more than the GDP of the country, and in Pidilite case, they have been growing at a rate of 14.6%. Social factors. People have become increasingly brand conscious and willing to spend more on art education of their children. This has resulted in increased demand for Pidilite, Fevicol MR and Fevikwik products among other for craft purposes. Technological factors. Technology advances have been the cornerstone of the Pidilite successes over the year. With a strong focus on R&D and innovation, it has been immensely successful in coming out with path-breaking products since 1959. Foster's 5-force analysis of Pidilite. Threat of new entrants. While the threat of new entrants is low because the high barriers to entry, very strong brand equity of Pidilite to compete with, achieved through differentiated advertising and promotions. It has very large distribution network, high focus on R&D. Threat of substitutes is low. The its initial capital investment is low and no substitutes for adhesive as such. Pidilite nullified threat through acquisitions. Bargaining power of customers is also low. Due to no substitutes and because Pidilite is market leader, product commands strong pricing power. Bargaining power of suppliers, which is media. 30 to 35% of its raw material is imported and thus has a bearing on rupee depreciation. Competitive rivalry, low. Limited category for large multinationals. Small regional players and unorganized retail provides competition combated through creative advertising. While coming to the financials of Pidilite Industries Limited, operating revenue. Operating revenue is the revenue that has been generated from the main business activities. As you can see, from the year 2016 to 2020, it has been gradually increasing. In the 2017, it has been increased by 4.7%. In 2018, it is 8.2%. 2019, 16.4%. And in 2020, it's 3.3%. As you can observe, it has been doubling each year. Gross profit margin. Well, gross profit margin is the measure of company's profitability. If the gross profit margin is 10%, it is considered as average. If it is 20%, it is considered as high. As you can see, it has been at a range of 20 to 25. It is considerably high. The gross sales of Pidilite has been increasing gradually over the years. From 2014 to 2019, it has been increased from 4.9 to 6.3. Operating revenue has been increasing double every year from 2017 to 2019. The profit and loss after the tax has been gradually increasing over the years. Financial ratios. Quick ratio. Quick ratio is an indicator of company's short-term liquidity position and measure company's ability to meet its short-term obligation. Ideal ratio of quick ratio is 1:1. As you can see, it's above 1. It is considered as ideal one. Debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio is a financial ratio indicating the relative proportion of shareholders' equity and debt used to finance company's assets. As you can see, the debt equity is 0.3 and 0.4. It indicates that for every 1 rupee of asset, there is 0.04 debt. As you can see, In the graph, the debt equity and the quick ratios are in the ideal margin. Conclusion. Pidilite Industries is an Indian company that enjoys noteworthy success in craftsman, product and industrial specialty chemicals. The company's most successful brands, Fevicol and its sub-brands such as Fevikwik, Fevibond, etc. have consistently commanded over 70% of the total market share. Fevicol stood 24th among the top 150 Indian brands. The company has also been able to stay ahead of its competitors in organized and unorganized sector. Thank you.